Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, guys. How are you today? I'm fine too. And as you all know, I'm standing here for my speaking project. And before I present, let me introduce myself. I'm Sofiyah F A5, and I will present about the content of song called Ballad of the Process. And after I listen again to the song, to the content of it, I think the song describes about the process. So today, I'm going to show you about the process. And before I tell you about the process, can you answer some of my questions? Yeah. What happened when animal or plant dies? Anybody know? Okay. When animal or plant dies, they are destroyed. But sometimes the animal was buried before it can be destroyed, and after millions of years, it gets stored into a rock. Next, first, I will explain about what is the fossils, and how fossils form, and why fossils matter. First, what is the fossils? And look at this. Anybody know what is an animal? That's right. Once there were the dinosaurs. The last giant dinosaurs died before there were people to see them, to write about them, and tell about them, or draw their pictures. And how do we know about this animal that no longer lives on Earth? Yes?
I think we can know it by fossils of the animal.
That's right. We know about this animal because we have found their fossil bones. Next. Think fossils. Many of us think of fossil is just remains of dinosaurs, but actually, fossil is the remains of living things, and fossil is the remains of preserved of animals or plants from the past. In order to call fossils, an object must be several years old, and scientists or paleontologists have decided they have to be over 1,000 years old to call fossils. And next, how fossils form. There is 4 types of fossils. The first, small fossils, cat fossils, and trash fossils. The last 2 form fossils. And look, this is a footprint. And do you think footprints are the fossils? Yes. Right. Fossils are fossils. Footprints are fossils. Fossils is skeletons. And now there is groundwater. The bones are washed away by thinning and its base. This is called natural salt. And now groundwater brings tiny pieces of rock. These tiny rock pieces fill the mold after many years. And also, the rock are pressed further and further, and the skeleton becomes solid rock. And after many years, the skeleton rise to the surface because gray and white and show the fossils. And paleontology have found this is mold and cats. Fossils can be formed in different processes, different ways. Sometimes an animal like this mammoth gets trapped in the ice and stays frozen after millions of years, and they are found after thousands of years, no change of food. And this fossil is true form fossil because these animals, these fossils actually have part of animal. Next way is embryo. An insect gets trapped in the tree sap, and tree sap get hardened into a tricky cellular material called embryo. This is a butterfly and spider, and then this embryo fossil. This is a body fossils, dinosaurs, skeleton fossils. This fossil is true form fossils, and they are formed when the soft pieces and or hard part of this animal didn't decay over many years. And the last, why fossils matter. Why fossils matter? Fossils matter because fossils tell us about the past organism, and fossils help scientists understand what the past environment may have been like. By study of fossils record, we can know how long life exists on Earth. And I think that is all my presentations. I'm sorry if I had a mistake. And the last, thank you for your nice attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.